How are you doing? Online I'm known as GearVlogz, so you might think that I'm a gearhead or someone that's into cars. Yeah, you're right. Just a little. I've spent the last 15 years working within the automotive industry, from general fleet vehicle maintenance to repairs to high performance upgrades. I walked away from a job that I loved to help my brother be a full-time family caregiver to our parents. So in my spare time, i.e. when I'm up at 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning, I make YouTube videos. Now this video is not about me, but about a man named James Cox. James is a fellow YouTuber, and he helps promote and market other YouTube content creators like yourself and I. James works a job that has a schedule that keeps him working from Sunday through Wednesdays. He's so dedicated that he live streams on his way into work, live streams on his lunch break, and live streams on his way home. Depending on how much energy he has, James can be seen live streaming even on his days off. Back in September, James's YouTube channel was demonetized for duplications, whatever that means. When asked, YouTube had no specific answers to be given for the reason why. So for now, the only way that James can support himself outside of taking on a second or third job is by asking for PayPal donations. If you've seen any of James's live streams, you may have seen him talk about having to add water to his Subaru Outback all the time. Basically, he needs a new water pump and radiator. He's been quoted $1,200 in parts and labor by a mechanic that James trusts. If the bolts on James's engine were not too rusty, the labor cost could have been lower. I would hate to think how bad road salt and snow has taken its toll on the undercarriage of James's Subaru. I want to set the fundraising goal of $1,600 just in case James needs to rent the vehicle if the repairs cannot be completed during James's days off schedule, which are Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So come join me this Saturday for the James Cox Repair Fund Raiser. I will have all the moderators in the chat posting links to James's PayPal link during the live stream so that James gets all the funds right away and directly. If you're willing, I'd like to bring you onto the live stream and hear how James has helped you and your channel to grow. Till then, see ya. Hashtag IAmACreator. Hashtag payitforward. Hashtag awesomesauce. See ya.